National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a tornado warning for northern Franklin County in northern New York, west central Clinton County in northern New York, until 1:30 p.m. At 1:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm containing the possible tornado was near West Bangor, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Malone, Chasm Falls, Brainerdville. When you can do so safely, please report hail or damaging winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. When a tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in that storm. A tornado may already be on the ground or is expected to develop shortly. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern New York and Vermont.